Hello everyone, welcome back. If your iPhone battery draining fast, then keep watching this video to save the battery health and how to stop it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. If you want to prevent battery health to draining, we have to turn on the low power mode. For that, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on battery and turn on the low power mode. Turning on the low power mode is very beneficial. Number 1, if you have a ProMotion display, then the refresh rate reduced to 50%, and also you can see the brightness reduce automatically. This also keep the iPhone battery healthy. Here you can see one more thing: settings, display and brightness. Here you can see auto lock set to 30 seconds automatically, and your iPhone display will off after 30 seconds. iCloud uploads are turned off automatically. So one change is keep your iPhone battery health in good condition. Main low power mode. By turning on the low power mode, keep the iPhone battery healthy. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.